existing circumstances, in one vial we have almost 10 doses as per the norms. But when we use them, as you can see, as per the marking, we have crossed the marking and the syringe has locked itself here only. So we have taken almost a bit of an extra dose. Still, this is our 11th dose. As you can see here, from a first vial 12 doses had come, then apparently 12. In one vial 10 has also come. So on an average, we have 11.5 is the average which we have in one vial.
We have with us Dr. Saad Rizvi, who is the nodal officer for vaccination at IGMC. Sir, could you just brief us through the whole process? We have heard that the IGMC is administering 11.5 people as compared to 10, which is a national average.
Good afternoon, everyone. On IGMC, we are working on the motto that one vaccination dose is equivalent to one life. So definitely we are trying, our team is trying very much hard so that not even a single dose is wasted, and the God is kind. For the past many days we have been successful in that motto. Secondly, what we do is that our team starts calling the individuals who have not reported after 11:30 for their vaccination session whenever the list is given to us. In that calling, the benefit which we get is that we get to know who is coming and who is not coming. On average, from our vial, our vaccinators, who are all very experienced people, health workers, they are administering almost 11 people in the vial that has been allotted to us. So, for example, if we get a slot of 100 people, which is given to us by the district, we almost have the capacity to vaccinate 110 people in that 10 vials. So, for example, 10 we have balance. Another 2-3 refused for not coming for the vaccination. So we club that data, and then we again inform the district authorities that we have a slot available, or we have the doses available for almost 15 odd people as per the people who have not turned up. And then the district again opens a slot for the registered beneficiaries, and it is a only thoroughly online procedure. And through that, again additional people come to us and we vaccinate them. So this is the motto and this is the way of working of IGMC.
Sir, in the past 2 days, if we talk about 18 to 44, I've been told that against the sanctioned 200 doses, we have already vaccinated 231 people.
Yes, definitely. 17th and 21st were the two sessions which were created, and out in that 200 people were registered and sent to us for vaccination. We have administered 231 people in the allotted doses to us of 200. So 31 extra people, definitely IGMC team with this dedication we have achieved to vaccinate.
So earlier when the vaccination was coming, there were apprehensions. But now like studies have revealed, so people are like quite eager to get the doses.
Yes, definitely. Initially people were apprehensive that it's a new thing, we never know what are the side effects, what all harm will it do. But definitely, as the studies are showing, people who get themselves vaccinated, they are at a far better chances of survival than the people who are unvaccinated.
What is your message for the people?
I'll just request that please do come for vaccination. Vaccination is the only way out to defeat this disease. And other than that, please maintain the guidelines of the government. Do adhere by that. Social distancing, masks, sanitization, washing of hands. And definitely what's most important is a positive frame of mind, because this disease is definitely taking a toll on the people in their different.
One last question, sir. There is a lot of confusion among the masses, like which vaccine is good. Like there is Sputnik, there is Covaxin, there is Covishield. So what do you suggest?
I suggest whatever vaccine is available by the government is at par. The government will not launch any vaccine unless it is fully safe for the masses. So whatever vaccine is available, be it Covishield, be it Covaxin, be it Sputnik, be it Johnson, whatever vaccine is made available by the government, please get yourself vaccinated. That is the only way to defeat this disease.
We are at IGMC. I am Bhanu Lomi for Tribune Videos. Thank you.